here, hit that like button for your girls. Join the channel. And then comment down below because you know I want to know. And yeah, hit that notification bell if you want to see future videos from me. And let's get ready. We're going to get ready today. And we have a full day ahead of us. So let's go. We got to get ready.
Ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life.
You guys, it's something about when I drink my smoothies in the morning, honey. I don't like the fact that it leaves this residue. You see this residue right here? Girl, let me tell you, a mess. I'm like, let me tell them about this residue. If y'all have, I usually have dishwasher soap, but I ran out, so like I had a little bit left, so I mixed it with some alcohol and water, and that's what I did with my method. So if y'all see, I usually like the lavender. We have to go to Target tomorrow and get some more cleaning supplies. But I love the lavender method. This is what your girl uses to wash all her dishes and countertops. But I mixed it with some alcohol and yeah, and just some water, a little bit of water. Still gonna clean. But y'all, if y'all have a better solution about milk residue, let your girl know. Period. Comment down below because you know I want to know, honey. All right, let's get back to cleaning. Let's get back to washing these dishes. We have a lot to do today. Period. Okay guys, the stove is clean, the stove top is clean. Okay, so one thing I need to get to is this oven. One day we're gonna get to this oven and we're gonna use what Living Life with Lisa used, Uncle TK used, was dishwashing soap to clean the inside of the oven. Now as you guys can see, my oven is really dirty because your girl haven't cleaned it in like a year. So we're gonna get into that. It's gonna be a whole video. It needs to be, because I'm like, ugh, I don't even know how to begin to clean that oven. I was just saying, I didn't even know how to begin to clean this oven. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, like, for real. So we are looking a mess right now, but it's okay because when you wake up in the morning, you're not always gonna look cute. And that's the whole fact. Okay, we gotta do these brows, we gotta wash our face. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to wash my face in the morning. We have to brush these teeth again because I ate breakfast and I don't like, you know, going out with a stink breath. And then we gotta figure out which wig we're gonna wear and what clothes we're gonna wear. Then we gotta figure out about that situation, the bean situation, whether I need to throw them out or whether we want to freeze them. So let's get started. Let's get to this. This should be like a blog / clean. All right, you guys. So we're just gonna do this first. We're gonna get the refrigerator situation taken care of because, yeah, these beans, hell no. Yeah, they have like a stench. Like if you leave beans in the refrigerator too long, they will smell. So I'm like, girl, bye. But they're still. Oh yeah. But it still looks good. What y'all think? It still looks. They still look good. They don't look like molded or anything. I made them last week, so we're probably just. Am I gonna eat them later? It's a question. Are you gonna eat them later? Because if I'm not gonna eat them later, then I might as well just make some more beans for later, like fresh beans. I don't think you're gonna eat them later. I was like, y'all know when y'all leave food in the refrigerator too long, it starts stinking. And I was like, what the hell is stinking in my refrigerator? This don't make sense. Make it make sense, please. You're going in the trash because I have to throw away some old food. We have to do it. Your girl has to do it. I don't like that food in my trash. I don't like that food in my refrigerator. Like, let's go. Come on. Hey you guys, so my couch is a mess. My couch is like a couch bed, so I sleep on my couch most of the time. I'm more like a living room type of person. I'm not really a bedroom type of person, only because, like, you know, my big screen is over here. I have a TV in my room too, though. I'll show you guys. Y'all gonna be all around my house. Y'all gonna be all around my house today. Okay, so if y'all see something that's messy, be quiet. But we gotta get this together. I don't usually do clean with me's, but today we're gonna do like a clean with me, just because it's daytime. So what I like to do is I like to put this on my bed, and then I like to fix this up as like a day couch. So let's go. All right, you guys, so the face cream I'm using is from Avon. I'm an Avon consultant, so I will put my link in the description box below for y'all so y'all can order from me. I haven't really been doing it lately. I'm just gonna start doing it again just to see. I mean, you know, if you want, like, I'm gonna send y'all stuff in the mail too. I'm starting off with Lisa, my auntie, and then I'm just gonna go from there. So y'all support your girl with my lip gloss business also. So I'll be sending y'all little goodies, Living Life with Lisa, Coco TTV, and then also Trudy Lee, Sincere Team. I'm gonna be sending y'all stuff in the mail. So be on the lookout, honey. And I'm not doing a lot on my face. For my brows, I use Revlon Color Stay. I just get whatever works. I get waterproof brows. So that way, you know, it don't come out. And, you know, if I have to put water on it or if I have to wash my face at work or something. So we're not doing a full face today. I'm just going out running errands and stuff and coming back or whatever. So this is what we're doing. We're just doing the brows real quick. A little like Dr. Quick, a little quick see, okay, on the brows. No makeup, just a cute little natural face. Okay, period. Your girl, you know she's not doing too much today. And if y'all like this one and y'all want to see more Clean With Me's and more, you know, day in the life videos, comment down below. Let me know, because you know I want to know, okay? Period. And if you ready to hit this motherfucking for, hit a like button for your girl. All right. Alright, you guys, part 1 spring cleaning is done. We gotta go with the part 2, and then I'm gonna do the dip and crack challenge. Crack a dip by More Eats and somebody else. I forget. All I remember is just about More Eats and somebody else, honey. So I'm when I do the video though, I'm just gonna like do the video and get the other person's name real quick. But let me get this together. I got this little mug from the Dollar Tree. It says thankful and grateful, which I thought was really cute. So I thought it was extremely cute. Let me just, I'm an ice person. I'm not necessarily an ice eater, but your girl love her some ice. So we gotta get that iced coffee going. So I had went to Target. When I went to Target, I had got some cold brew and I'm almost out, so I need to go get some more. I should just buy 2 of these. Just buy 2 at a time, because I drink a lot of iced coffee. Iced coffee, it is the California Farms cold brew coffee with almond milk, double espresso. So it's dairy free. It has double espresso shots in it. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna add my vanilla cinnamon Baileys, because you guys know I'm off from work now until I start my new job. So alright, if y'all made it this motherfucking far, hit that like button for your girl. You the real MVP. Comment down below and say, sis, I'm the real motherfucking MVP. You can curse on my channel. We curse over here. So, yeah, we're going to pour this up. The little ASMR for y'all. It really tastes like chocolate milk with kick to it, honey. Should I get a little lit? What y'all think? Should I get a little lit? Let me put another one. Let me put another shot in there. Oh, you know what Emerald say? I forgot what. Let's spike this shit up a little bit. It's the weekend or whatever. About to be the weekend. Bam! I don't know how that went like right there. Oh, that was funny. That was hilarious. All right, y'all. I'm gonna take out the trash, and I'll be back with another banger for y'all. All right. Thank y'all for joining me with my Clean With Me. My first very, very long Clean With Me, honey. Clean With Me video. It's going to be a lot of those. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Period. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. This is my first time trying cold brew with a little kick to it. Oh, child, that tastes good, honey. Yes, I'm gonna be lit today. Let's go.